Hi, Tita Marie. So, it's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. And I wish you all the best. And thank you so much for being a good auntie to everyone. And I hope we catch up soon. We're really busy, so I'm here in work. And see ya.
Hello Marie, happy birthday. I wish you a many birthdays to come. Bye.
Marie, happy birthday. Good health. Wala naman kami masyadong ma-wish sa'yo kasi you're doing good.
Happiest 50th birthday, Marie. Stay happy and healthy and pretty like me.
Lahat kami may amats eh.
Happy birthday din po, Tita Marie.
Okay, stay happy, healthy, and enjoy your day. God bless.
Pag-uwi mo na lang.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Marie.
Happy birthday!
Love you.
Happy birthday to
Lola Marie!
Happy 50th birthday. Love you. Miss you. More birthday to come.
Visit the Philippines po! See you soon po!
Love you. Happy 50th birthday, Ate Marie.
Come back soon. God bless.
Sa pinakamahinhin kong sister-in-law, happy birthday Ate Marie. Wish namin na matupad mo pa yung mga wishes mo and syempre good health at enjoy mo yung celebration mo. Again, happy birthday Ate Marie. We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Marie.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po, Tita. Stay as pretty as always, as pretty as always. Basta, stay pretty. We love you.
As always.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Hello Marie, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. God bless. Kamusta kayong lahat yan? Ingat kayo palagi.
Hello Ate Marie, happy birthday. Stay happy and in love. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi Marie, happy birthday. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Regards kay Ray at sa mga kids mo. Tagay na!
Happy Marikoy, happy 50th. I know this is not just another year, but the start of your golden years. So, I wish you to be more successful in your business venture. Be happy, be healthy, and be more pretty. Napakaswerte ng pare kong Ray sa'yo kasi nakakuha siya ng beauty and brain na kagaya mo. Kwento ko lang yung mga guest mo na nung high school, di ba? Super ang daming naliligaw sa'yo. Tapos nagkakatipag din yung mga nagkakakrush sa'yo. Hindi man lang ako naampunan kahit isa. Pero dahil BFF kita, sige, hindi ko na i-reveal yung mga names nila. Anyway, I wish I could fly there in Canada. Kaso given my immigrant status here in the US, baka hindi na ako pabalikin ni kumpare nating Trump. But seriously, I just want to let you know that I am beyond proud of our friendship. Kasi from high school days until AI era na ngayon, we still keep in touch. And I love us for that. I'll be your forever Esteng. Ikaw lang yung tumatawag sa akin yan. And I guess that's it. I love you and you are one beautiful soul. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hi Marie, happy 50th birthday. Sana masaya ka ngayong birthday mo.
Nandito kami ng Team Looban para sa'yo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mari kong maganda, sexy, manang-mana sa akin. Sana happy ka ngayong 50th birthday mo.
Happy birthday, Diche! Malungkot kami kasi nandito kami. Ikaw din sa Canada. Ang wish you, sana madala mo kami sa 51 birthday mo. Kampay!
Maria, happy birthday! Sana maging masaya ka sa iyong arawan at mag-iingat kayo palagi dyan. God bless. Happy birthday!
Kampay! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!